Leo nataka tuongelee hizi vitu because ni vitu za maana sana na ni wachache sana watakuambia hizi. Okay? So this is Kim and I believe that at the end of this video utaelewa vitu mingi sana. Okay? And by the way, before we proceed, make sure that umeenda hapo kwa TikTok profile, join my channel via the link on my TikTok profile. Okay? Then tupatane live trading. By the way, kama una watch hii video, we are now live, you can maybe join tuendelee kuprint pamoja. I say that you only need capital entries I'll personally give you. Now we're going to analyze the market together so that we make informed decisions in the market. Okay, so without much ado, let's get into this. Okay, so ukiangalia hapa nimeandika staking, risk management and the three main contract types, which is even and odd, over and under, and rise and fall. Do you know that when it comes to staking, acha mwanzo tusiongelee risk management, but before niseme tusiongelee risk management, you need to understand that you should never confuse between risk management and staking. Those are two different things. Okay? Because you'll find that mtu, acha mwanzo nifute hii ndio niwaonyeshe kitu. Okay? So you'll find that most traders huwa wanasema if I stake low, okay? If I stake low, I'll be trying my best to manage the risk. Okay? Staking low. Tuko pamoja, of which that's not the case. Okay? So there's a way that you can stake low, you end up messing on your account, or maybe you end up losing everything. And that one really happens. And I believe that kama uko hapa hivi, lazima hii kitu ilishai kuwapenia. Okay? So sitaki kuwapenia tena, so it's better you listen. So risk management is very different from staking low. You'll find that mtu anaweza kuwa na stake low, okay, then ana blow account, but sasa mtu mwingine ana stake a bit high. Sijasema you stake that high, but nimesema a bit high. This person is going to make some profits na hata blow account. Okay, you find that let's assume that you're trading a market like let's say even and let's say for example over and under, over and under, and in this case you're trading a market like under 7 or maybe over 2, which is a low paying market, though it's less risky. Okay, so trading a market like this, let's assume that you're staking with only 1 USD. Assuming that ulikuwa na account ya 100 USD, this one is 1% of the account. Okay, so staking with the 1 USD, the payout will be something like I think 0.20, kitu kama hiyo. Okay, this one is now the payout trading under 7 market, or maybe over 2. So in case manipulation occurs, you'll have made a loss of let's assume that you make 4 consecutive losses. Okay, nataka kila mtu anisikize very well. So that will be a total loss of $4. Okay, I'm just giving an example. So if the payout is only $0.20, okay, so it means that after making the 4 consistent losses, okay, it's a less risky market. You can even make 10 consecutive wins. Okay, of which sometimes it won't be possible. So by the time you recover this lost $4, utamake loss ingine ya 1 USD. Okay, so you'll find that if you're staking low on a market like under 7, recovering would be very hard in the real sense. Okay, so what does that mean? So the level of staking that you should be using on an under 7 market is not the same that you can use on a market like even and odd. Okay, even and odd. Okay, na pia under 7 you can okay, so hapa hivi tumesema you can stake high and make a few runs. Okay, because the market is less risky. Hiyo ni kitu najua. But sasa market kama hizi, but then nasemanga kama uko na account less than $10, usijisumbue ku trade over under. Hapo utablow account haraka. But kama utafocus na even odd, maybe you can be staking with 1 USD because the payout will be more than 0.8. I think 0.8 something, tuseme tu hivyo. So in case of 2 losses, you will only need to make 3 consecutive wins, then you will have recovered these $2 in case of 2 consecutive losses on even and odd. Sijui kama naeleweka. Okay, so I hope up to that point kila mtu ameelewa in each and every contract type. Okay, so the staking might be a bit different. Okay, the staking might be different. Okay, because ile staking unaweza tumia kwa market kama even and odd, sio the same na yenye unafaa utumia kwa under 7/2 ama hizi less risky markets. The same staking on even odd can be also used on rise and fall, na pia kama unataka unapenda kutrade over under, unaweza trade market kama over 4, under 5 and so on and so on. Sijui kama naeleweka. Haya, so let's close it up at that point for today, sorry, and we are going to proceed from there. If you are having any question, make sure that you ask on the comments. Make sure that if you want to access free trading robots, free bots, free analysis tools, and also free strategies, so you can always trade on my website, which goes by the domain www.greenpro.site. So if you go type on your search bar, or maybe on your browser, be it Chrome, iko kwa every browser, be it Chrome, Firefox, or maybe Brave browser, you're going to find it over there. So let's rush to the website. We see what is provided there. You can also check out analystkimfx.com, analystkimfx.com. Okay, so both zinakuanga na very amazing features, so you can just go check them out, na mambo itazidi kukua sawa. So this is Kim, wishing you guys all the best. Let's keep pushing Waku. Nothing comes easy, so we need to keep showing up on a daily basis. Make sure that you follow these simple tips huwa nakupea hapa, na baadaye tupatane live trading saa hii, mambo iendelee kuchemka. Peace out guys, let's keep winning together.